हेलो गाइस व्हाट्सअप। आज मैं आई हूँ साइंस एग्जीबिशन में। आओ चलो साइंस एग्जीबिशन देखें।
So here we have made a basic model of windmill. So in a windmill, the wind energy needs to be converted into electrical energy. For that, we have provided batteries inside this house. So when we turn on this switch, the blades start rotating. And for rotating the blades, the DC motor is fitted inside this box that is letting the blades to rotate. So this is how this is.
This is an electric generator. The components used are a magnet, a DC motor, and a metal plate. As metal plate is a good conductor of electricity, when we will rotate it will make current, and the DC motor will catch it. And after that, the wire will give the current to the whole circuit, and it will make the fan blow continuously.
Passes from the brain. It is not just to reflects the blood, but also controls Good morning. Today we are here with the model of human experience Kidneys are V-shaped organs situated at either side of the spine, behind your head and behind your belt. The main job of the kidney is to filter the blood.
Pure water acts as a digestive substance which is being filtrated by the kidney, and the remaining waste is then converted in the form of urine and then sent to the urinary bladder and passes from the urethra. Kidneys not just only filtrates the blood but also controls the other functions like chemicals. Thank you.
hydraulic crane is a device used to lifting weights and for shifting purposes in big engineering plants.
It is also operated by electricity and as well as with water.
But I'm going to show you how the hydraulic crane works. This is the sliding ramp, the cylinders, the vertical post and the section used for lifting up heavy loads. So when the sliding ram of the first cylinder is pushed, the water starts flowing into the another and hence lifting up the weight.
If there is required of rotating the load, we can also rotate it by pressing the first change and the water starts flowing into other, and from the pressure it starts rotating. Thank you.
था तो अच्छा बहुत.
Good morning. So today we are going to represent our model, which is a candy vending machine. When you will press the button, the toffee will automatically come out. This is because of the Newton's second law of motion. Force is directly proportional to both mass and acceleration. Firstly, the toffee was pressed, and when we applied force, it came in motion, so it fell down. Today we present the four-line earthquake detecting alarm. The circuit consists of a battery, switch, a nut and a buzzer. For an instance, an earthquake occurs. The copper pendulum starts shaking and the buzzer will beep. So we can be cautious and take preventive measures. Thank you.
गुड मॉर्निंग. वी हैव मेड अ लाइन फॉलोअर रोबोट. जैसे जैसे लाइन मूव करती जाएगी वैसे हमारा रोबोट भी मूव करेगा. तो इसमें हमने इंफ्रारेड सेंसर्स लगाए हैं जो कि इनविजिबल लाइट एमिट करते हैं और वो लाइट ब्लैक कलर से रिफ्लेक्ट होकर इसके पास वापस आती है, जो कि सारी जो हमारी डिटेक्शंस हैं वो सारी मोटर ड्राइव हो जाती है और फिर ये इसको हमारे रोबोट को कमांड देता है कि इसे कहाँ कहाँ मूव करना है.
Our model is based on hydraulic pressure. In this model, we are going to show the lifting of heavy objects through hydraulic pressure.
There are two pistons, piston A and piston B. When we apply pressure on piston A, it is equally transmitted to piston B without diminishing the use of the fluid which can't be compressed.
Its principle is based on Pascal's law, which is founded by Blaise Pascal.
Good morning. We are going to discuss about the digestive system, how it works and all its components. If we eat the food and it's chewed by our stomach, then it goes down a muscular pipe. This is known as the food pipe. It is also known as esophagus. Now, the food enters through a J-shaped structure, that is the stomach. The stomach contains the gastric enzymes. These are known as the HCl, pepsin and mucus. Mucus is present in the lining of the stomach. Now, the question arises, what happens if the mucus is absent? If the mucus is absent, the HCl can react with the lining of the stomach and thus cause peptic ulcer. And we have usually seen that we have just gone through acidity. So this is only the reason that peptic ulcer is caused. And if this peptic ulcer goes on increasing, it is actually harmful for our body. Now the food enters a small intestine. I have drawn this image. The inner lining of the small intestine are the finger-like projections. I have drawn a magnified image of this. These are the globulate cells at the boundary of the villi. These globulate cells absorb all the nutrients and various components and thus mixed with the blood capillaries, and it goes through the blood streams and provide nutrients to our body. Now, then the food enters to a large intestine. This is the ascending colon, transverse colon and the descending colon. Now, when the food enters to the ascending colon, all the water absorption takes place in this part of the body, and then all the waste materials that is collected in our body through rectum it is flows out. So this is our model. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. I have designed a hand sanitizing machine which is based on the model of hand sanitizing. You just have to put your hand like this inside the machine and push the pad behind, and sanitizer will automatically sprinkle on your hand.
piston back and forth which is connected to a CD acting like a wheel, and this is the movement it will show.
It is a vacuum cleaner that is connected with a battery and a motor which will turn anti-clockwise, that will create suction and will pull the dust inside it. It can be opened from this side to remove the dust from inside.
So in our model we have shown the working of a bascular bridge. In this model you can see that the ship is standing here and it needs to pass. So in order to pass the ship we need that the wings of this bridge must go up. So there is a law which is Pascal's law, which states that when pressure is applied in an incompressible fluid, it applies equal in all directions. So here you can see the pressure divided. So when I will apply pressure here, these wings will go up. And then the ship will pass. This is due to hydro energy. We have used hydro energy. And when these wings, in order to make the wings come down, we will apply pressure in upward direction. And then the road will go on. Thank you.
This happens due to the law of conservation of momentum. The first ball passes its momentum to the other, and when it reaches the end, the last ball also moves with the same momentum as the first ball.
फिर से एक बार करें.
Pendulum wave effect. Please observe it from here. When all the pendulums are released simultaneously, they form waves, patterns and lines. This is due to the oscillations of increasing pendulums. Every pendulum has one oscillation more than the previous one. This results in the patterns, waves, etc. This is known as the principle of mass of gravity acting upon the pendulum.
We have made the model of magic balloon, which is completely works on the wireless transmission.
वायरलेस ट्रांसमिशन इन दिस केस कि जैसे हमने अपना ये बल्ब लिया और 220 वोल्ट्स को हमने किस में चेंज कर दिया 12 वोल्ट में विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस ट्रांसफार्मर, और करंट इन सभी सर्किट्स इन कंपोनेंट से पास होता है, वो हमारी कॉइल में आ रहा है, एंड दिस कॉइल में करंट स्टार्ट्स रोटेटिंग एंड दिस बिहेव्स लाइक इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट. इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट की फॉर्म होते हैं, हम इस पर जैसे भी कोई कॉइल रखेंगे विदाउट इवन कनेक्शन ऑफ वायर्स ये बल्ब ग्लो करना स्टार्ट होगा. ऐसा इसलिए बिकॉज ये मैग्नेट की तरह फॉर्म कर रहा है, इस पर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लगा रहा है. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लगने से ये हमारा बल्ब ग्लो करना स्टार्ट कर देता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ मैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन. इन द सेम केस आप यहाँ पर अपना चार्जर भी, मोबाइल का चार्जर प्लग करके वो भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं वायरलेसली विदाउट.
और इस मैजिक बल्ब की रेंज 4 फिंगर्स तक की है, बट nowadays wireless chargers are coming, so we have made the basic model on the wireless charger. Thank you.
From lungs, it carries oxygenated blood to the heart. It comes to left heart atrium. From here, the blood goes to the left ventricle. From here, the blood is carried by aorta to the body parts for oxygenation. When the blood gets deoxygenized, it comes from vena cava to the right atrium. From here, it goes to the right ventricle, and from here, the pulmonary artery takes it back to the lungs for oxygenation. And the same process goes on.
Its name is Heron's Fountain. So it works without using electricity or any kind of energy. It mainly works on air pressure created inside the water. You can clearly see that water is coming upwards without using any major force. It is only using air pressure and will keep on continuing until the water in the upper bottle gets depleted.
I, Joanna, and my partner Avni have made this model about the rainy technology.
We have come up with a brilliant idea for an eminent household work. When we wash our clothes and put them outside to dry them, there is a big possibility that in a rainy season, the clothes might get wet and all our hard work might go in vain.
So we have made this model. This model consists of a transistor, and we have set up the circuit here, and we have the switch here. So when we switch on the switch, and if by any chance the raindrop will fall, it will connect the circuit, and thus it will alert the family and they could collect their clothes. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Respiratory system. In this, firstly, the air enters from our nose to the nasal passage, and then it goes to the windpipe or trachea. Trachea has this ring-like structure which is known as ring of cartilage, which helps it from not getting collapsed when the air passes through it. These two are bronchi, and this clay-like structure are representing bronchioles of our lungs. And these sac-like structures are alveoli, which are richly supplied with blood vessels, and into this the oxygen gets transfused and thus reaches other body parts.
Good morning. We have made a model of volcano. Volcanoes are basically of three types: active volcano, dormant volcano, and extinct volcano. Active volcanoes are those volcanoes who make smokes or makes earthquakes on a frequent break. But dormant volcanoes do not do this. But in short, they can erupt in future at any time. Extinct volcanoes do not do anything, means they are extinct, they have no supply of lava, they will not burst. Now, when we will put half tablespoon of baking soda in it, or sodium bicarbonate,
And now we will add vinegar to it.
now
We will see.
lava-like structure will come.
This happened because the acetic acid present in vinegar and the basic salt present in baking soda has reacted with each other to form carbon dioxide, which came out in bubbles form. And also sodium acetate is also formed, which came out with lava.
This is basically a neutralization reaction, and these both are the substances which we use in our homes for various purposes.
Good morning. Today I, Sania,
And I, Dia, class 10th, we are here to represent a model on the topic electromagnetism. So these are the two batteries which are connected through the copper wire. And this is a switch. This is a soft iron piece which has been winded with the copper wire. So our topic is mainly the electromagnet. This is a simple iron core which isn't a magnet right now. But when we'll turn on this switch, the current will pass through these and making the circuit complete. These are some iron fillings which will attract to their edges. You can try this by sprinkling some iron fillings on this.
So as you can see, after blowing wind also, these iron fillings are still attracted towards this. This proves that this iron core has been converted into a magnet just by passing electricity through it.
And when we turn off the switch again, we can easily repel these.
Yes.
Which proves that electricity can convert an iron piece into an electromagnet. Thank you.
Good morning. We have made a model based on the topic wind energy. It works on the principle of kinetic energy. As we can see, when wind touches the turbine blade starts moving, and the shaft inside this starts the generator, and thus the electricity of the house starts flowing. This is because wind is producing electricity, and that's why wind is one of the most
one of the most renewable source of technology. Thank you.
So this is a circuit of a security alarm which is usually used in the places which have precious things around them, such as exhibitions and all. So when I turn on this switch, as you can see, the current has passed through the wires, making the bulbs glow. And when I'll pass this stick through these magnetic fields, it will produce a sound which will tell me that yes, something has happened to the thing which is kept around it. As you can see, when I pass this stick through it, it shows that yes, something has happened to a thing which has been kept around this magnetic field. So it's a very important component which can be used around the exhibitions and all for securing our personal things. Thank you.
Myself, Mayank, Nirbhay and Shreyas, we had made an automatic earthquake detector. So as we all know that due to earthquake in past, many lives are gone. So that's why we had made this working earthquake detector. It can detect the low frequency of earthquakes also. So I would like that my friend continue.
So we think we need to know what is an earthquake. Earthquake is a shaking of the earth's crust from the energy released inside it. It creates seismic waves, also known as S waves, from which are now my friend Shreyas will continue to explain the model.
So it contains a buzzer, a bulb, a resistor, a 9-volt battery, a switch, a nut and some wires. So as you can see, the straight wire here is not connected to the circular looped wire here. So it is an incomplete or open circuit. So let us assume if an earthquake comes here, the bench will also shake with it, and the nut will get when the wire touches the circular loop, the buzzer will make noise and the bulb will.